Alrighty, guys, I'm now in the shop. Oh my goodness, guys, this thing is starting every time. Okay, I don't know how you guys dealing with intermittent no starts. Okay, now this is a 2011. I'm very aware of some of the history on this year model vehicle. Uh, One of the things that have been replaced is the tip 'em. So I'm ruling out the fact that it's fuel related, as in the fuel pump. A lot of you guys know about the fuel pump not running on some of the 2011 and 2012 models with a certain style tip 'em. Yes, the fuel pump is built into the tip 'em on those, and they will tend to fail. Some cases we can install an external relay, but a whole complete new tip 'em was replaced on this a while back. So, but my thing is, I have to duplicate it in order to get a sense of what's going on. Like, I can't just go off, it's probably the tip 'em, just because I have an intermittent no crank. If your problem is an intermittent no crank, that's the thing. First of all, the complaint have to be described perfectly, okay? Intermittent no crank is sometimes you turn the key, nothing happened. Intermittent no start is when you turn the key and it's just spinning over. So I need to have customers never going to give you a real good, accurate description of their problem. You're going to have to dig it out of them or comprehend it yourself. All right, I have a knack of comprehending. If I talk to a customer, I'll be like, ma'am, when you turn the key all the way to a start, does it go, yeah, that's my no crank right there. That's the no crank. No, ma'am, that's not a no crank. That is a no start. Essentially, you are cranking. When I do this, that is cranking, okay? So, yes, I'm glad I spoke to you. Thank you very much. I know what I needed to know now. So yeah, guys, sometimes you got to go out and dig that information out of the customer. You got to be very good at that, because your diagnostics is dependent on a real good description of the problem. All right. So before anybody out there go to assuming something is a tip 'em, make sure your complaint is on point. All right. I can't duplicate anything, whether it's a no crank or a no start. You know why? Because it's cranking and starting. Now, it's a 2011 model. There is some things I'm aware of as far as the skim module and the key issue. Okay. Now, if I find out this is an intermittent no crank, there is a flash update for this year model skim module for that specific reason. Yes, for no crank, no start. All right, that's the way they named it, but it all depends how you comprehend the complaint, guys. So in fact, I'm gonna show y'all that TSB. I've been getting away with that a lot because I was able to comprehend the complaint. All right, so let's do this, man. I don't want to sit here and talk all day. Let's go over to the computer and look at this same TSB I'm talking about. But I really want to duplicate the problem. Now, this is what I'm talking about as far as the flashing. This is a real painless repair. It's all computer. It's all pushing buttons. So I push a couple of buttons. We're going to essentially tune this module we're going to essentially install new tuning to this module. We're going to wipe out the old programming and put in new. In some cases, that will repair your no crank, no start. Yeah, but let me show y'all what I'm talking about on this TSB. All right, enough chip chatting and talking. Let's go over to the computer. Let me fire this up and plug in my scan tube. Let's go to the computer. All right, guys, here's what I'm talking about. As you can see, I have the topology pulled up. Now, there's what I'm talking about is a wireless control module. Y'all see that lightning bolt? That represents a flash update. In fact, let's go to this wireless control module and see what's going on with it. Okay, a couple of tire sensors are shorted. Now, let's go take a look at this flash. There's a couple of reasons they recommend you flash this module. Let's click right here. Flash. The flash is for intermittent no crank and intermittent RKE function. All right, see, there we go. We're on to something. Let's take a look. This TSB instruct mechanics. Here's the subject: flash for intermittent no start, intermittent RKE function. Overview. This bulletin involves flash programming a WIN module with new software. All right, look, guys, it applies to pretty much the whole lineup from a 2011 standpoint. So if you own a 2011, you can assume this may be your problem if you having these complaints. And here go the complaints: symptom and condition. Number one, intermittent no start. That's exactly what I'm having right now. Okay, intermittent RKE function. I'm not sure if they are. In fact, the RKE don't work. I pushed the button trying to. So this might be a repair for this vehicle, guys. In fact, like I say, it's so simple to do, and the customer's allocated for our diagnostic time anyway. I just might well go ahead and do this and see what happens. Okay, yes, it depends on how you look at it, guys. Now, you may have to go up there and try to sell it, okay? So be careful how you just go ahead on. In fact, FCA really don't want you just randomly flashing modules. I'm no big fan of just flashing, especially older model cars. Yeah, I try to steer clear of flashing high mileage cars because at some point there is no point. Why would you flash a high mileage car for drivability improvement when your engine is set in its ways? Okay, yes, all these flash and program updates are essentially for fairly new cars, guys, but yes, you can't overcompensate for worn out piston rings. Let me put it like that. All right. So no matter, yeah, flash is ridiculous at that point. But let's do this, guys. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go back to the screen. Flash. In fact, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. No, that's not what I want. I want right here. This is how we flash attention on comments. No, it's not a comment. Click OK. I'm gonna put something in this box. Why are we flashing? Why do I want to flash it? Customers concern. Click start. So right now, I'm going to essentially wipe out the controls or wipe out the programming to this Win module and put in new programming that possibly, hopefully, will address the issue that I'm having. So I don't want to bore y'all with flashing this, guys. So I'm gonna let this go through. Yeah, it's gonna take a minute. So that is what I'm gonna do on this car. Is this your problem? I don't know. You have to diagnose it, guys. But it's just a little piece of information I think you should be aware of. All right, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching.
Shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking.